Alright guys, MTech Guy here, and today we're taking a look at the little one series, the E87 130i. Now this serves as my daily driver, such a great little car for that. Got the straight 6 N52 engine up front, rear wheel drive. It's a nice compact size, so it's great for getting to work, shooting around town, easy to park, it handles awesome, and with the N52 engine it revs out nicely, but with it having the Valvetronic, it is pretty fuel economic also. Such a great wee car. Now I have a few service items that I need to catch up on this morning. This thing needs a new rear wiper. I'm getting a warning up on the dash that it's low screen wash. It's the middle of winter here, so I'm getting through it fairly rapidly. And strangely enough, I've always found it hard to find windscreen washer fluid in New Zealand that has the antifreeze in it, like I used to get back in the UK. So I'll be using the regular stuff again today, but I might hit my local dealer up, see if they can get me some of the BMW screen wash with antifreeze in it. It's also time to replace the micro filter, and we'll be giving it an oil change also. Alright, let's get into it. Now, you guys are probably thinking, alright MTech Guy, why are you using a genuine BMW washer fluid? There's plenty of cheaper alternatives out there. Well, to be honest, the stuff from the dealership isn't that expensive, and unless you're using a decent alternative brand, what I've found in the past is a lot of them cheaper brands, you can pick these screen wash up really cheap, like from the supermarket, from the petrol station, wherever. There are some really cheap brands out there. What normally happens is, if it sits in your reservoir for too long, if you don't use it that often, it can start to gellify in the bottom there, and all it's going to do is block up the little filters for the screen wash pumps, and eventually starve the pumps of fluid. And then what's going to happen is you're going to become looking to my channel to find out why your washer jets aren't working and how to fix it. So to save yourself a lot of headaches, it is worth spending just an extra couple of bucks or whatever it is just for some decent washer fluid, whether it's the genuine BMW stuff or just a decent alternative brand. Now if you can get the stuff with antifreeze in it, all the better. That usually flushes things through nicely, and obviously depending on whereabouts in the world you live, you're not going to have to worry about them jets freezing up in the middle of winter time. So just something to think about when it comes to washer fluid. Right guys, so there we have it. That's them little service items taken care of on the little 1 Series, the E87 130i. Now with this being my daily, it's getting used all the time. It is a little bit of a workhorse. I'm usually working all the time, and when I do get some time off work, I do like to work on the E60 M5 and at the same time make a few videos to put out. But we can't forget about the little daily driver. Got to keep on top of these little maintenance items or it all catches up with you later on. But other than a few service items and the oil leak that I had to repair recently in the engine bay there, it's been a good little reliable car, this thing. But anyhow, if you found the video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like, and make sure you go and check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more BMW DIY content. Consider subscribing if that's your cup of tea. I'm MTech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.